Welcome to day 6 of the big spring clean sale at Tonic Studios. We've been adding new limited edition craft bundles daily at exceptional prices, and we'll be continuing to do so up until Easter Monday. First up in today's bundles is an excellent Speciality paper bundle that includes 9 different colours, patterns and textures that will make any project that extra bit special. This bundle is available at a special 75% off. Next we have a dazzling gemstone bundle that includes 5 pots of beautiful gemstone embellishments in gorgeous shapes and colours, available now at 70% off. This Tim Holtz bundle contains the craft room essentials your workspace deserves, with a glass media mat, mini rotary perforator, paper distresser and media tool set, available at 50% off. We have 2 die bundles being added today, the first being the daisy lace easel and layering die sets that create stunning easel cards for your loved ones. These are available at 60% off. And finally we have our pretty pop-up bundle containing 3 springtime pop-up designs at a fantastic 70% off. That's your day 6 deals. As always, these are limited edition bundles, so check back daily to avoid missing out on the best deals Tonic has to offer.